Now I want to get into why this is so important, right? It's like almost something that everyone always gets wrong about understanding what acceptance actually means, and it's not the same as resignation, right? And I really need to stress on that. Because it's not like I'm saying I'm fine with this, or I guess I'll suffer forever. That's not what we mean. I would not expect, I always say to my coaching clients, I would not expect you to feel like this forever. The way you're feeling right now is because your nervous system is constantly reacting to this. That will be over once you're habituated. So I will not want to, tell you that you have to accept that you're feeling like this for the whole time. That's not what I'm saying. Acceptance and commitment therapy teaches us that acceptance means willingly making space for difficult thoughts and emotions and experience without letting them run your life. So it's the absolute difference between, on the one hand, saying I hate the sound and I need to fix it before I can live, and the sound is here, but I'm still going to decide what I focus on and how I live my life in spite of it. And why is this so important?